think this is it.
Yes.
I found it.
All right, cable secured.
No.
Let's double check that connection point. Feels solid. Give it one more tug. Perfect.
All right, Kalen, got this one tight? Good, mine's secure. Ready for air?
Surface crew, this is Kalen. Bags are set and fully inflated. Initiating lift on your mark.
Keep it steady. Almost there. Just a little further. Hold it. Keep it steady. Quick, grab the hook.
Look out! Swing it!
Hurry, you're almost there. Grab hold.
Keep tension on that line, Silas. I've got it, Kalen. Lower easy. Watch the starboard side.
The condition of this thing. Yeah, the rust is bad here, but that latch looks promising.
We did it.
Yeah, we found it. You holding up all right? Yeah. Just thinking. Okay, doors open. Back in.
Nice.
Nice, let's go.
Keep coming, Kalen. Perfect alignment. Slope. Stop.
All right, this is it. Right lock. It's in bad shape, but we'll fix it.
Got it. This stuff is tough. Keep it steady.
There it is.
Wow. Look at that. It's clean.
All right, that's phase one done.
I think that one.
Yeah, looks a lot better. Good job. All right, stand ready. Ready? Push now. Up. Got it. Easy. All right, Kalen, on three. Got it, Silas. 1, 2, 3. Watch the fender. Clear. Set it down slow.
God, look at this. It's completely saturated.
I've never seen saltwater damage this bad, Silas. It's a complete loss.
Come on, you old thing. Oh, finally.
I'm just gonna give these a shot of this.
Oh, good. That should help.
Yeah, it's starting to work already. Give it a go now. Keep these clean, we'll need them later. Got it. Where's the torque wrench?
All right, easy does it.
Got it.
Watch those wires, they're brittle. Look at that. It's completely gone.
I know. There's no fixing it.
All right, come on, you rusted old thing. Finally broke free. Next one.
All right, Kalen, chassis is clean, ready for inspection.
Perfect, Silas. Looks solid. We can start the wiring tomorrow.
Agreed. Let's make this happen. All right, steady. Lower it slow. A little more. Clear. Okay, hold it there. All right, easy now. Clear on your side. Looks good. Check the mounting bolts.
Right here.
Come on, you old bastard, move! Nothing. Completely seized.
I think if we adjust the clearance here, we can optimize the power output.
Yes, that makes sense. Let's go with that. Keep it steady. Down we go. Watch the level. Easy does it.
All right, here we go. Looks like it's done. Perfect. I've got excessive run out here. The bore is definitely tapered.
All right, so what's the next step?
Looks like we'll need to machine it. Looks like a solid set, Silas.
Yeah, the tolerances seem spot on.
Ready to get this built.
Line it up. There we go. Nice and smooth. Perfect fit.
Tightening this one here. Looks solid, Silas. Ready for the oil pan?
On my mark.
And the distributor. Perfect fit, good job.
All right, perfect. Looks solid, Silas.
Ready for paint.
The chassis and panels are perfect, Silas.
Yeah, primed and ready for the color.
Absolutely. Let's get them loaded up. Time for the iconic blue to go down. Perfect coverage, just how I like it.
Excellent work. Perfect. The clear coat looks flawless.
All right, here goes the big reveal. Looks like you nailed it. Perfectly straight. And number 2. Masterful work, Kalen. Spectacular work, Silas. Absolutely flawless. Thanks, Kalen. We nailed it. Okay, steady it. Getting closer. Perfect, lower it. Right there, check the mounts. Looks good, easy now. Keep it steady. Watch the left side.
Okay, slowly, just a little further.
Perfect, she's in.
Almost there. Solid, solid.
All right, easy, easy now. Just a little higher. Perfect, hold it right there.
Does the gap look right?
All right, that's secure.
Looks good.
Finally. Just need to test the steering. Perfect. Feels right. All right, lowering it down now. Looks perfect on those wheels. Just need to roll the jack out. Oil level's perfect. Excellent, she's ready to go. Come on. Nothing yet. Just a little longer. It's turning. Keep going. Yes. Finally.
Come on.
Yeah. She's alive! Oh yeah, that's a sound. We did it. That is it. All right, that's is it. It's perfect. Ready for this? Born ready.
All right, here we go. Got it.
perfect? Yeah, it really is something. Yes! Woo! Woo! We did it!
Keep your eyes peeled. Good drive.
I never thought we'd make it this far.
We did, didn't we?
We did.
It's